Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another quick painting demo showing off the colors in one of the new Prima Watercolor Confection palettes that came out recently. This is the Complexion palette. I asked in a poll over on my Instagram what palette you guys wanted to see next for these painting demos between the Complexion palette and the Woodlands palette, and this one won out, so I did a little painting with it. And just like the last painting demo, I'm only going to talk for a really short bit and then you guys can just watch the painting process, and I'm going to do a full review on all three palettes together in a couple weeks when the other palette has had a video like this done as well. Sorry I don't have something more in-depth for this week. I have my sister visiting in town and I had planned on doing a plein air outside painting video vlog slash thing, but it decided to pour down rain this week. So that didn't happen. So hopefully I'll be able to do that for next week for you guys because I was really looking forward to that. So I just had to whip up something really quick. Sorry it's not much, but I wanted to have something out for you guys this weekend so you had something to watch. And yeah, I'm going to leave you guys just with that. Please feel free to ask me any questions that you have about these palettes in the comments down below so that I know what you guys want me to talk about when I do the full review. Anywho, I will see you guys next week. Subscribe if you're new and click that bell icon if you want to be notified when I post new videos. I will see you guys next week. I hope you guys have a really good week. Bye!